Zomi, who's your friend? Who's your friend? Oh, really? Is that his name? Is that his name? Come on, get down. Get down off the bed. Come here. Sit down. Talk to me. Good girl. Give me paw. Come on, give me paw. Come on. You missed. Good girl. Lay down. Hey. Good girl. Roll over for me. I'm gonna steal Cloud. Zomi, look who I got. And guess what else? He's going on my head. What are you gonna do? He's on my head. I love you too. Are you? He's on my head, I know. So we don't like that. No, just because he was on my head doesn't make him a bad person, baby. You're trying to push him off the bed? He's still on the bed, you know. You didn't achieve anything. Well, don't backsass me, youngin'. What? There you go. Have your friend. Is that how you feel about him now? That's what happens when something gets on my head, isn't it? Oh, no, round two. No, give him back! Give him back. You're not allowed to hurt him. So you just tear up my bed instead. Alright. Tell everyone bye. Talk to me. Talk to me. Alright. Whatever floats your boat. Drop it. Thank you.